gonna be doing an exploding bottle. So products you'll need is some tin foil, toilet bowl cleaner, and a bottle. How the bottle explodes is you put some tin foil in and some toilet bowl cleaner. It makes a chemical reaction and it causes the bottle to explode. Let's see how it works out. She's not there. Oh my god.
Wait, where is she? Alright guys, really just saying all this bull crap because there's like a person. We're gonna have to dip right after we do this. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get to it. We gotta put these in the balls. We gotta make these in the balls and then put toilet bowl cleaner and then shake it up. Buddy, tear it. Okay.
There's no way you just did that.
Boys, I just dropped the whole...
Dude, no.
No.
Don't step on it, Reed. What are you doing?
My bad. My bad, kiddo. Wait. A little bit smaller, buddy. Like this
What?
small.
Are you serious right now, bro?
Where's she at right now?
Buddy.
She's been like circling us the whole time. She thinks we're up to no good, which we are, guys.
Yeah, so basically, I just keep on loudly saying that we're doing a science experiment.
This isn't for class. This is just for a YouTube video because this thing is gonna be very loud. Like if we got caught, it might not be very good. So
No, we can just say it's for a science experiment.
yeah, we can say it's for a class we did. Hopefully C-Maze has my back. Jesus, bro, we need a lot more. All right, he's adding the good stuff.
I don't know how much I need.
Just spread it around. You need a lot. And then you need to shake it up when you put the cap on. All right, that should be good. That's good. Hurry up. I hope we got the right stuff. Is it getting hard?
So if this doesn't even work.
Buddy, this is what they added.
Yeah, 22 hoes on me, 22 clothes on me, 22 goes on me, 22 bros on me. Bro, don't give me your sweat for free. Learn how to dress for me, keeping these hoes beneath.
So it didn't work the first time, and now we put in our backpack, took a long bike ride, and now... Dude, what is going on?
Like it's actually about to explode now. I feel like it's expanding. It's about to explode. Oh. Oh, dude.
Oh.
2 million. Rose gold seat on a fucking helicopter, double C, no Chanel, cause she's bad. Riding Kawasaki, I can cup you a new Rari, let you ride it into your rap, and you're bad. No plan, no Atari, I won't play with you for nothing.
Alright, you guys asked for a tutorial in our last video on how we made the insane bomb that we did, so let's get into it.
The ingredients you need is aluminum foil, toilet bowl cleaner, and a plastic bottle. So you're gonna ball the aluminum foil up. You also want to put a little bit of water into it so it mixes better. All right, now what you're gonna do is add a lot toilet bowl cleaner, a lot of toilet bowl cleaner. Yeah, that should be good.
Dude, I can't.
All right, this has been sitting for like 2 hours now, so we're just gonna chuck it.
Dude, that was so high. What?
Hold on, oh shoot!
Oh shoot! Oh, dude, they were by their front door.
Alright guys, this is how to make a baking soda and V-bomb. We're gonna be exploring a prime bottle today. So you're gonna wanna fill it up about quarters way.
So about that much or so.
You're gonna want a lot of baking soda.
Oh shoot.
Alright.
No, chill out. First.
Alright, you gotta put it in really quick and then put the cap on really fast.
Put it on the ground. Dude, come on. Yes, like that. Yeah.
Oh shoot!
It's expanding. It's expanding. Oh, you can
Here.
It's gonna pop. Whoa!
All right, guys, today we're gonna be making a 2-liter bomb. Oh shoot, how much? Oh shoot.
Nice one.
Oh crap.
Go. Oh. So long to explode, but yeah.
Oh shoot, get that. Oh shoot.
Alright guys, I'm about to make a bomb out of baking soda and vinegar. Alright guys, Colin's making his first bomb today. Oh, interesting. Colin's first bomb. We're gonna throw it off of here. I gotta go down there quick. Alright. Oh shoot! Oh, it's about to explode! Never mind. Yeah, don't touch that. Threw a bomb. Holy crap! I'm not taking the camera off this. Oh shoot! Oh, I hear it! It's going. Oh my god, how? Oh my god, that scared me!
Hey guys, so we're about to make a bomb, and we're at our grandma and grandpa's house, so people are probably not used to hearing bombs in the road. Hopefully Karen to come outside and say, hey, no, don't be doing that, because I could really sound like a bomb, you gotta be serious.
Okay. Yes. Come on. Oh, here we go, baby.
Oh crap, there's a person walking.
Oh shoot. No. Oh. Oh, it's gonna start expanding. Look. Oh. Okay. Nah. Oh nah. Oh heck no. Okay.
We have a way bigger size bottle and a lot of baking soda. Oh shoot!
I'm stoner, I'm stoner, I'm stoner. I'm stoner, I'm stoner, I'm stoner. I'm stoner, I'm stoner, I'm stoner. I'm a motherfucker.